Okay, so we use this equation in order to find our constant, which is K. 75 is used because that is the temperature that's changed after the body was found. So 80 is the initial temperature and 70 is our constant. So in order to find K, we have to subtract 70 from both sides, and then we get 5. And using PEMDAS, we work through the parentheses, and that's 10. So then that's 5 equals 10e negative k to the first, or k times 1. And 1 is used for time because that's the hour. And then we divide 10. And in order to get rid of the e, we have to add ln. So it's ln 5 over 10 equals negative k times 1. And we divide negative 1 by both sides. And we get 0.6931 for our k. So we use this equation in order to find the time elapsed. We use 98.6 because that's the average body temperature of a man. We use 80 because that's our initial temperature, and our 70 remains the same because that's the constant. The other difference is that we add in k instead of leaving out k because we're trying to find t, which is our time. So we subtract 70 from 80, and we get 10, which equals 28.6 e to negative 6.6931 t. We then we divide 28.6 and then add ln to get rid of the e. And then once we do that, we divide by negative 0.6931 to get t by itself. And our t ends up to be 1.51. The 1.51 is then converted into 91 minutes. And after we do that, since the body was found at 6 p.m., 91 minutes from 6 p.m. turns out to be 4:29 p.m., which is the time of death.